Everybody, let's talk about French red clay. It's from this is one of the most romantic clays in the world, and is used for a variety of application. French red clay comes from hematite iron. Okay, so I'm going to open it so you see how luxury this clay is. Romantic indeed, and very beautiful for coloring your skincare product. Now, this clay is from hematite iron. It's coloring the result of the copper, it's as a result of the copper oxide contained in the rock, the natural copper oxide that's contained in hematite iron. Now, this clay is rich in hematite, kaolinite, and also calcite, and this is very good for normal to oily skin type. So if you have normal and oily skin type, this is a very good clay for you. It cleanses, it removes excess, dead skin cell. It helps to leave the body, the face, your body toned and rejuvenated. It's widely used in cosmetic, manufacturing. Now, French red clay can be used in making, soap, face mask. It can also be used to make body wraps, body scrubs, and facial powder and other cosmetic products. You can use it from 5% to 100%. You can also, use 15 ml of it per pound of soap. Okay, 15 ml of it per pound of the soap that you are making. You can use it, very well to make a deep cleansing facial mask, and you can also use it to make a mineral bath. Okay, very, very good, very, very good clay in every bit of it. So if you want to use it for deep cleansing masks for the face, what you will do is you're going to add a little bit of it, and you're going to have glycerin too. If you do not have glycerin at home, don't worry about it. You can use it without any other thing. So just add 1 teaspoon. And add enough water to make a paste. Mix it well. If it's a bit runny, right, you can add just a little bit more because you want it to be in a paste form. You want it to be in a paste form, so you're going to add a little bit more. Then you're going to mix it well. If you have glycerin, you can add your glycerin to it. It really helps to boost the property. If you have other essential oil like grapefruit pink or geranium essential oil, you can add it to it. Don't worry, in another video I'm going to make proper face mask video, but this is the best way to use your romantic French red clay. So just make a mask. If you have soft oil like sweet almond oil, you can add a little bit of it to it and just use it. Any oil that you have at home, or any essential oil that you have at home, like geranium or even grapefruit pink, you can add it to it to make a very good deep cleansing face mask. So you're going to use it to cover your face, apply on your face, then allow to dry. Okay, once it's dry, like I think within 10 to 15 minutes, you can wash it with warm water, pat it dry, followed by your toner and other of your skincare product. That's how to use French red clay to make your home face mask. Very rich clay to use, to consider when making your skin products or when you are taking care of your own skin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look in the description box below for where to get your home French red clay.